Hey guys, Mason here. Welcome back to the Sweet Spot, where I create delicious desserts that you guys can follow along with at home. As always, the full written recipe and list of ingredients, they're down below in the description box. Also, while you're down there, if you want to join the family, just click that subscribe button and you'll get 2 new videos every week. Today's recipe is in collaboration with Kitchen Queers and a whole bunch of other channels. They started the hashtag GAMEDAYBUFFET. Now, if you want recipe ideas for your Super Bowl party this coming weekend, just type in the hashtag GAMEDAYBUFFET and all of our videos will be linked together. To kick off Super Bowl weekend, I thought I would make a chocolate blood orange cupcake. Now this is just my tried and true classic chocolate cupcake recipe with the addition of the blood orange icing, and it's so good, you all. It's that perfect balance of tart and sweet. If you all want to try this recipe, stick around and we'll get started.
First, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, we're going to cream together half a cup of unsalted butter at room temperature with 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. Now to add 2 large eggs at room temperature and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now in a separate bowl, we're going to sift together all of our dry ingredients. This is just really going to help ensure that everything is equal size and everything mixes together properly. We have 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of espresso powder, and half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. You'll notice the cocoa powder is always the bad guy in this situation. It always clumps up. Any kind I've used by any brand, it always comes clumped like this. Now to add our last ingredient, it's half a cup of yogurt. And then we're going to begin alternating our dry with our wet. Starting with the dry and ending with the dry. This will give us assurance that we're not over mixing this batter. Now to divide the batter, we're going to fill these up 3/4 of the way full, and we're going to bake them off for 18 to 20 minutes, just depending on how hot your oven is. Now while those are cooling, we're going to prepare our blood orange buttercream. First we want to cream 1 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature. Then we're going to add the zest of 1 blood orange to this. Now to add 3 cups of powdered sugar to this, and then we're going to use 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of blood orange juice, just depending on how tart you want it to be. And lastly, we're going to color this with just a little bit of red food coloring, just to make it look a little fancy. And here's the final result. They're absolutely delicious, you all. Such a perfect balance between sweet and tart. I really hope you guys give these a try. From my home to yours, enjoy.